Cow. It's all for takeaway. What is that, pork? Don't know. What is that? What is that? What is it? I lie. Beef? Beef? Look at these little nail shops. Wow. Banana. Look at this place. I'm getting one of these. And I'm getting one of these, guys. Incredible. This is a little hidden alley. Guys. Yeah, this is where to get the cheap, good food. The cheap, good food is here, guys. The cheap, good food is here. Curry. Hold on. What's right here? Oh, that's where we ate. Look at this food. It's beef, rice, spicy, green curry, spicy. Don't make it spicy. This costs 200 baht, guys, $6. 2 meals, basically. 2 big meals. It is unbelievable. I can't even explain the taste. I put these red chilies in it. I don't know what this is. Really good. It's soft. Husband behind me. Absolutely incredible. Guys. Well, for Second Beach Road. This is where I ate, guys. It's raining now, so we'll sit here. Done. Finished. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. There it is, guys. The secret market in Pattaya. Right across from the temple. Bam.